Hi guys, today I'll show you how to make delicious lemony salmon skewers and a refreshing yogurt herb dip. This is a perfect recipe for your summer grill parties. Here's what you'll need: salmon, lemon, fresh dill, fresh chives, natural flavored yogurt, olive oil, and salt and pepper for seasoning. And of course, we'll also need wooden skewers. First, I'll finely chop the herbs. Then I'll add them to the yogurt, saving a bit for garnish. Next, zest one organic lemon, and remember to rotate the lemon while zesting to get only the yellow part, as the white part can be a bit bitter. Then cut the lemon in half, juice it, and add a tablespoon of the juice to the yogurt. Season with salt and pepper, mix well, and chill the finished yogurt herb dip in the fridge. Then cut the second lemon into very thin slices. Now we can start preparing the salmon. First, I'll remove the skin. Sometimes it comes off easily, other times you need to help a bit with a knife. Then cut the salmon into cubes. Put the salmon cubes in a bowl, add a tablespoon of olive oil, season with salt and pepper to taste, and coat the salmon pieces evenly. Now we can start preparing the skewers. Alternate salmon and lemon slices on the skewers, just like I'm showing you here in the video. Now the salmon skewers are ready for grilling. Before grilling, I will lightly brush the contact grill with olive oil. However, you can also prepare the skewers in the oven, on a regular grill, or in a pan. I love using the contact grill in summer because it's quick, doesn't get as hot as the oven or stove, and it's simple and fast. We really love it. You can brush the finished skewers with a bit of lemon juice, and if you like, add a tablespoon of honey to the lemon juice for some sweetness. Finally, garnish the skewers with fresh herbs and lightly season with salt and pepper. Quick and easy, just the way I like it. I hope you enjoyed my salmon skewers recipe and will be trying it out. Thank you for watching my video. Bye bye until next time.